Here we are at the top of Haleakala. Gonna go on the sliding sands hike. Hike! What? Dude! Yep. Hey, Missy Moo. Killing it. Way to go, team. Good job, team. Crested the ridge, Arete. Don't let TTT get you. Saw some nays. How's the hike going, Kula? Yay. Cool Cape Camilla. Yep. Last 2.6 miles. Doing these crazy switchbacks. These cool cliffs. All the way up there. Guys, this is super epic looking. You say Haleakala?
Haleakala.
How was it, Ez?
Good.
Good. You did so good, hey?
Uh-huh.
You hiked a long way.
We did it. We did it.
You did it.
We finished the 17-kilometer hike.
Yeah. What are you doing, kids?
We're sitting in a trunk of somebody's van.
Somebody's truck.
Yeah, truck.
Yeah.
Truck, van. Same thing.
Did we do the whole hike?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did.
All 17 kilometers. No,
It was
it's
almost
17.
18.
Okay, I was almost right.
And what's it like?
Scary. Very scary. I think it's awful.
All right, kids, full debrief. How was the day? That's how Mom feels about it. Hey, Az, what'd you get?
Cotton candy and bubblegum.
Why'd you get it?
Because I'll go down the whole hike by myself.
Yeah.
Hey!
Where are we?
Don't tell a Bobo.
Where are we?
Lululanis. Say Lululanis. Bobo.
Eleni. Say Lulu Lani's. Erite, what'd you get?
I got pina colada, Malona, and pina colada.
Hey, don't let her hold on to it.
And snow cap.
Nice. Noble, what'd you get?
Blue raspberry and peach.
Was it worth it?
Yes.